So I went off to college, Matt. Going through high school, started to develop an identity. One day I did come home. I was in an old diesel truck. I'm like, Matt, get in. I'm about to run out of gas. And he's like, yeah, man, you ain't got no gas in this truck. I'm like, yeah, that's what I said. I don't have any gas. He's like, this sucker ain't got any gas because it takes fuel, diesel fuel. You dad-burn dummy. He's like, in fact, dadgummit, if you run this dadgum diesel out of diesel fuel, you're gonna have this old truck all jacked up. Well, it won't be jacked up. I mean, I can fix it. You know, I just gotta get down underneath that undercarriage down there and prime it.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
Kendra and I went to Riverwatch one evening, and she told me there was this guy she wanted me to meet, told me his name. I added him on Facebook, did a little Facebook creeping, and then, I know.
Yeah, I was at Alex's 4th of July party, was the day she friend requested me.
Then we made plans, and the next night we met at Jake and Kendra's house, and we had plans to go to the Batesville Fireman Festival. And he walked in his little man tank.
So I was at a bachelor party, and Jake gives me a phone call saying, hey, there's this really cute girl here. So immediately, I was already feeling good.
The following weekend, we went to Freudenfest down in Oldenburg, and that is where he asked me to be his girlfriend.
Aww.
This is a beautiful wedding, and even though it's raining, it's a beautiful day to share your love with one another. But even in all of we do here today, it's not a marriage. Don't get me wrong, like I said, it is a glorious day. But what makes a marriage is what follows after today. What makes a marriage is what you do tomorrow and the next day and the following weeks and months and years. By virtue of the authority given me as a minister of the gospel, I pronounce that you're a husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
You see, in my family growing up, it was believed that Saturdays were created for shopping. And that's what we did. And we weren't scrolling through our Amazon Prime. We were going every Saturday. It would not be uncommon to travel through 3 state lines and 4 Lazaruses to find a certain pair of shoes for this young lady. She has become a beautiful, honest, genuine person, and I could not be more proud to call her my little sister. Matt, you're one lucky guy.
About a year and a half, we were dating, and then we took a trip down to Florida with Jake and Kendra.
And it was the last night we were there, and we were walking along the beach, and he just stopped and pulled out a ring and got down on my knee. And I was crying so hard I could barely say yes.
You know, the first time I knew I was in trouble from losing to her, he came down the driveway in a car going, doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. I said, what the hell is that? He said, oh, that's Matt. And he said, what the hell is he? Oh, that's Roxanne. I said, what's Roxanne? He said, it's a car. It's his car. I thought I was the only stupid idiot to name their cars. I said, this ain't good. This ain't good. I told Trina, this ain't good. I said, he could be around for a while.
How did you know he was the one?
It was honestly pretty early on. He came over for like the first time ever, wearing a man tank again. And instead of, being all quiet and shy, he talked to my dad nonstop, and him and my dad started working on tools and just knew. I'm gonna cry.
So, inevitably, it's gonna happen, right? It's gonna happen. A marital problem's gonna come up. You're gonna get in an argument. Chelsey, I'm telling you right now, you be the damsel, let him be the hero, make him fix it. I don't care, you have to get underneath that undercarriage and prime it. That's right, happy life, happy wife. Let's raise our toast, Matt and Chelsey.